All right, hi Dennis. You had a question here about try catch, and I loaded up your program here. And yeah, I think what you're hinting at here is like when they enter their age or whatever here, if they enter something like 10, like they type it out instead of the number, it blows up and gives them an error, right? So the way to handle that is basically called a try catch. And so this is the line that's blowing up because it's looking for an int and it's trying to store the word 10 in an int variable, which doesn't work. So basically what we have to do is take the line that causes the error and surround it with a try catch. Okay, so sometimes I'll put all my code here in a try catch, but just to make it really simple, I'm just going to do the line that blows up. Actually, I probably should do all of it. So let's do this. So I'm going to do, you basically type try and then squiggle, and then the code you want to try goes between the two squiggles, just like an if or something. So I'm going to go down and do all my code here, and I'm going to tab it over and then close my squiggle. So all of that is part of my try block. So I'm going to try that code, try to do it, and then what's called a catch, and then you're going to catch any exceptions. All right, so basically you can catch different types of exception. So if you saw that red error, you could look at the exception and catch the specific exception and do different things because you can actually catch another exception here. But you could catch the different types of exceptions and do different things if you wanted. But I'm just going to do the general one called exception. Oh, so I'm going to catch all the exceptions here, and then I'm going to sys out something like, please enter a number, not a word. All right, so now when we run this, it'll try this line right here and it'll fail, and then it won't run any of the rest of the code. It'll just come down here and run this catch. So I'm going to run it, and I'm going to type 10, and it's going to blow up and fix the problem. And it should still work for the rest of the code too. So if I do something like big number, still works correctly. So I just took your code in and then made those small changes. So that's called try catch. Let me know if you need anything else. Have a good day.